असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now exercise 1.3 problem number 2. Look at the question ma. Express each of the following decimals in rational form. Nothing but p by q form. Okay. Here given 4 questions ma. They are in the form of non-terminating recurring decimals. Now we are going to convert them into rational form. Okay. Let us start with first one. What is that ma? 0.9 bar. So here periodicity is 1. Okay, right. So let x equals to 0.9 bar. This you can write 0.9999 so on. Okay, so periodicity is 1, that is why I am going to multiply with 10 ma. Okay, right, multiplying both sides, it is equation 1 of equation 1 with 10. Okay, now 10 into x is equals to 0.9999 so on into 10. Okay, right, what becomes ma? 10x is equals to, it becomes 9.9999 so on. Okay, consider it is equation 2. Now I am going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so I am doing here 2 minus 1, that implies, so 10x, what is equation 2? 10x is equals to 9.9999 so on, and what is equation 1 ma? X is equals to 0.9999 so on. Okay, so subtraction, so here so on as it is 0 0 0 0, 9 minus 9 0, again 0, same, so it becomes ma 9 is here. Okay, what about this? It becomes 9x. Okay, so 9x is equals to 9 we got here, so x equals to 9 by 9, getting cancelled here, 9 ones are, so x equals to 1 is the rational form of the given 0.9 bar. Okay, the p by q form of 0.9 bar is 1. Okay, this is the answer. Now we are going for number 2. Second one, what is the question ma? 0.57 bar on the top of 5 only. Okay, no, 57 ma, bar on the top of 57, right. Okay, right, so let x equals to 0.57 bar. Okay, so we can write this as 0.57 so on. Okay, right, so the periodicity, what is the periodicity my here? Periodicity is equals to 2, isn't it? Right, so periodicity is 2, that is why periodicity is 2, that is why I am going to multiply equation 1 with 100 ma. So multiply both sides with 100. Okay, so what it becomes ma? 100 into x is equals to 0.57 so on into 100, isn't it? So what it becomes ma? So 100x is equals to 57.5757 so on, isn't it? So let us consider it is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. What becomes ma? 2 minus 1 we are doing here. So what is that? 100x is equals to 57.57 so on, and x is equals to 0.57 so on. Okay, right. So subtract here. So one has is 0 0 0 0 0 0, isn't it? So all this becomes 0 here, and 7 as it is, 5 is remaining here. This is 99. Okay, so 100x minus x, 99x. Okay, right. What becomes ma? X is equals to 57 by 99, isn't it? So we are going to cancel here. So 3 ones are 2 is remaining here. 3 9s are 27. 3 33s are 19. Okay, so x is equals to 19 by 33. Okay, so now the p by q form of 0.57 bar is either say 57 by 99. This is also p by q form. Okay, we can stop here also, or we can simplify this 19 by 33 also. Okay, right. Next, third one. What is that? 0.729 bar on the top of 9, isn't it? Right. Bar on the top of 29. Okay, bar on the top of 29. Right. So let x is equals to 0.729 bar. Okay, so we can write x is equals to 0.729 so on. Okay, this is equation 1. So periodicity is 2. Okay, that is why we are going to multiply with 100. Okay, right. So multiply both sides with 100. Okay, right. So x into 100 is equals to 0.729 so on into 100. So what becomes ma? So 100x is equals to 72.929 so on. Okay, right. This is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2, isn't it? Right. Take equation 2 here. 2 minus 1 we are doing here. 100x is equals to 72.929 so on. And what is equation 1? X is equals to 729 so on. Okay, so here minus it is, we are going to subtract here, so it becomes 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here it is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7 so on as it is, and 72 here. Okay, right. It becomes 99x. Okay, right. So what is the p by q form here? So 99x equals, we can write 72.2. So x is equals to 72.2 by 99. Okay, so I am removing here decimal point, that is why I am taking a 0 beside of 9. Okay, this is the p by q form of 0.729 bar. Okay, right. So we can simplify this also. Okay, 722 by 990. So 3 6 3, sorry, right, 2 3s are, and 2 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 9s are, and 2 5s are. Okay, so what becomes ma? X is equals to 361 by 495. Okay, right. Now the P by Q form of 0.729 bar on the top of 29 ma is 722 by 990 or 361 by 495. Now fourth one. So what is the question mark? 12.28 bar on the top of only 8. Okay, so let X is equals to 12.28 bar. Okay, right. So periodicity is 1. Okay, right. So X we can write 12.28 8 8 8 so on. Okay, right. So due to this periodicity 1, we are going to multiply with equation 1 with 10. Okay, so multiply both sides with 10. Okay, 1 into 10, that implies, so 10 into X is equals to 12.28 8 8 8 into 8 so on into 10. Okay, so what becomes ma? 10x is equals to 122.8888 so on. Okay, consider this equation 2. Okay, now subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so what becomes ma? We are doing here 2 minus 1, that implies, what is the equation 2? 10x is equals to 122.888 so on. What is the equation 1? X is equals to 12.2888 so on. Okay, so subtraction I am doing here. So on as it is, it becomes 8 minus 8 0 0 0. Okay, so 8 minus 2 it is 6. Take a point as it is, it is 0, and 2 minus 1 1 1 as it is. Okay, so it is 9x here. So 9x is equals to 110.6. X is equals to 110.6 by 9. Okay, so I am going to remove this point here, decimal point, that is why I am going to take 10 in the denominator. Okay, so it becomes X is equals to 1106 by 90. Okay, this is the P by Q form of 12.28 bar. Now we can simplify this. Okay, so X is equals to 1106 by 90. It means we can cancel here. 2 5s are 10, 1 is remaining here, 2 5s are 10, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, and this one 2 45s are. So X is equals to 553 by 45 is the final answer. Okay, so the P by Q form of 12.28 bar is 1106 by 90 or 553 by 45. Okay, right.